If you're tired of boring salads, this high-protein chickpea salad with chicken is going to change your dinner completely. Tonight, we're making a high-protein chickpea salad with chicken that's filling, fresh, and perfect for meal prep. It's packed with real ingredients, tons of nutrients, and honestly tastes better than most takeout salads. I started this the day before by soaking half a cup of raw chickpeas in water for about 24 hours and changing the water halfway through. If you're also using raw chickpeas, here's the final step. Smash 2 cloves of garlic and add them to a pot of water with the chickpeas. Bring this to a boil, then turn the heat down to medium and let it cook for about 1 hour until the chickpeas are soft. While those are cooking, let's work on the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and let it heat up. Once the oil thins out, add your chicken breast. I seasoned it with salt and pepper on both sides. Cook this for about 4 minutes on each side. If your chicken breast is thick, you can butterfly it to help it cook faster and more evenly. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our travels around the world here on YouTube. Since we're always on the move, kitchens and appliances can look very different. That's why my goal is to share easy recipes you can make at home without needing a bunch of expensive kitchen gadgets. If you'd like to follow along on our travels, be sure to check out our other channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there too. Once the chickpeas are done, drain them and let them cool. Take 2 small cucumbers or 1 large one, wash them well, and cut them into small pieces. Add them to a large bowl as you go, so everything is ready to mix. Take the garlic out and mince it really well since we're adding it to the salad. Next, peel about 1/4 of a large carrot. Dice 2 medium tomatoes. If you're making this for multiple days, you can remove the seeds or add the tomatoes fresh when serving, so the salad doesn't get soggy. Take 2 large pieces of cauliflower and chop them very finely. You can also swap this for broccoli if you prefer. Dice half a bell pepper. And 1/4 of a red onion. To make them a little softer and less intense, we're going to cook them, so set them aside. By now, the chicken should be cooled down enough to handle, so take 2 forks and shred it. The chicken should shred very easily. If it doesn't, it may not be cooked all the way through. And if that's the case, you can butterfly the chicken breast and cook it for a few more minutes on the fresh side. That way, it doesn't burn, and you can be sure it is cooked all the way through. If you want to save time, rotisserie chicken works great here too. Add the shredded chicken and your chickpeas to the bowl. Now, take the same pan you used to cook the chicken and add the onion and bell pepper. There's still flavor in the pan, so no extra oil is needed. Cook them for about 3 minutes just to soften them slightly, then add them to the bowl. Add in a pinch of salt and pepper. Now for the dressing. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and mix well until combined. Pour this over the salad and mix everything until it's evenly coated. Last time I made this, I added boiled eggs as well, which adds even more protein and flavor. This salad is seriously so good and really filling. It's a great alternative to lettuce-based salads, especially as the weather gets warmer, and it holds up really well for meal prep without getting soggy. Finish it off with some feta cheese on top. If you're looking for a healthy, high-protein dinner that's easy to make and keeps you full, this is definitely one to try. If you enjoy simple and healthy recipes like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one real soon.